Hi guys! In this video we're going to be looking at how to change fractions that are over a power of 10 into decimals. Now there is a shortcut. Let's look at our first example, 1/10. Now 1/10, I'm sure you all know, is 0.1 because 1 is in the 10th place. Now the shortcut is that there is 1 0, therefore you need 1 decimal place. So let's look at the second example, 7/10. So 7/10, 0 point. We have 1 0, so 1 number after the decimal, which is going to be 7. Our next example, 0.41. Now hundredths has 2 zeros, therefore we need 2 decimal places. Because it's 41/100, 1, 4. So it's 4/10 and 1/100. Our next example, 63/100. So 0 point. Hundredths has 2 zeros, so we have 2 places after our decimal. And it's 6/10 and 3/100. Moving down to some harder examples. We have 5/100. Now this one's a bit tricky. 0 point. Again, we have 2 zeros in the 100. And we have 5. That 5 is hundredths, 5/100. So it goes in the hundredths. There's nothing that goes here, which means 0 goes in the tenths. Now our next example is even more tricky. It's thousandths. So 213 thousandths. 1, 2, 3 zeros in thousandths. That means we need 3 places after our decimal place. And we'll start with the back, 3, 1, 2. So that means 0.213 or 0.2 tenths, 1/100ths and 3 thousandths. One more example, 0.2 thousandths. 1, 2, 3 zeros in thousandths. 1, 2, 3. And remember we read 2 thousandths, which means 2 would be our last digit. Nothing goes in the tenths, nothing goes in the hundredths, so they're both going to be 0. I hope that has helped, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys!